Look at this calendar.
Whoa.
Here's today.
Hey, there's Grandma's birthday.
It's tomorrow.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Look, we're there.
Where'd he go?
You are over there.
Where did he go?
There.
What's this?
Happy birthday, Grandma. From Ian and David Michael.